Thanks, Elizabeth. Congressman Louie Gohmert, seeing the devastating effects of Obamacare firsthand. This week, the Texas congressman confirmed he's dropped his family's health care coverage altogether to save money. Otherwise, his deductible would increase from $3,000 to $6,000 and his policy price from $300 to $1,500. Here to explain to that and a whole lot more, Congressman Louie Gohmert. Congressman Gohmert, you don't want to pay this, so now you have no insurance, nor does your family?
Well, it's my daughters are over 21; they're adults now, but one of them could be under the 26 limit. But the problem is that when Obamacare actually kicked in, just as we knew, if you liked your insurance, as I did, I had a health savings account, then I wasn't going to be able to keep it because it doesn't meet the requirements. Under my other policy, I didn't have maternity care, Brian. I got to have maternity care if Obamacare is going to say I have a legitimate policy. So I didn't drop it. It's a matter of it not being consistent with the requirements of Obamacare. And since my wife and I are paying off our kids' college loans, because if I had not run for public office, if I'd stayed in the private sector, their college was taken care of. I didn't want them to have to sacrifice because I made the decision of going into public service. So that's where we are.
Right.
I don't have an extra $1,200 a month, and we are setting money aside in the event we need it. But Brian, don't forget, 40 years ago, hardly anybody in the country had health insurance. And this is one of the areas we really need reform in. So whatever something costs, it ought to be posted. And
Gotcha.
Somebody paying cash ought to get the same deal Blue Cross, Aetna, and others get.
Yeah, we have to have some way to understand how much all this stuff costs right now. We're
That's right.
still blind to it.